Welcome to this demonstration on managing class schedules. A class schedule contains a weekly schedule of classes. For example, you can set up the timetable for a class for a specific term or duration. You can manage schedules from the Communications module. On the Manage Schedules page, you can view or schedule categories and add schedules to each category. This section lists the schedule categories. A schedule category defines the class and duration for a schedule. Let's try adding a schedule category. For example, we can create a schedule category for Standard 9 Division C. Let's specify the term duration for this schedule. Here's the schedule category we just created. Let's add a class schedule, this time for the math subject. Here's the Maths class schedule for Monday, 2 p.m. You can drag the session to increase or decrease the duration. Note the change in time. To update, you can also click on the session. Let's change the timings. You can also drag and drop to another time slot instead of updating as we did earlier. Let's make a copy of this session so that we can add the same details to other days of the week. Let's move this duplicate entry. We now have set up a maths class on Monday and Tuesday at 10 a.m. Here's a class schedule that is almost complete. We can view class schedules from the dashboard. First, select a class. Teachers can also independently view their class schedules. Let's click Manage Teachers/Admin Staff from the Academics and Learning tab. Let's select a teacher and view the profile. Here's the schedule for Alexander, the teacher selected. Note that Alexander handles different divisions and has no classes for Thursday. Similarly, a student can also view his or her class schedule. Now let's select a student. And view his profile. So here is the student's class schedule per day. And that's how you set up a class schedule. Thank you for watching.